Prime Minister Narendra Modi held talks with Maldivian President Dr. Mohamed Muizzu today. The Maldivian president was accorded a ceremonial reception at Rashtrapati Bhavan this morning. Mr. Narendra Modi completes 23 years in public office today. It was on this day in 2001 that Mr. Modi took over as the Chief Minister of Gujarat for the first time. Science and Technology Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh said that 1,000 crore rupees have been earmarked for venture fund to space startups. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju has said that North-East is progressing rapidly on the path of development under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The 3-day meeting of Reserve Bank of India's Monetary Policy Committee will begin today.